Albert here. Today we dive into Dua Lipa's mega hit Levitating. I will show you how to play it with open chords and with bar chords. Let's start. First, I'll show you how to play it with open chords. If you want to play it in the original key, put the capo in the 2nd fret. If you prefer it in a different height because you can sing along better then, you put the capo in a different fret or do it without the capo. Try what suits you best. This song has 3 chords. When we play with open chords, we use A minor, E minor, and D minor. These 3 chords are repeated throughout the song. Okay, those were the chords. Now we're going to add some rhythm to it. 1 down and 1 up, and then immediately mute the strings. Repeat this until you get the rhythm. Got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me, I'm levitating. Now we add even more rhythm to it by adding down up of the muted strings. You can mute the strings with the palm of your right hand and by relaxing your left hand. If you play left-handed on your guitar, it's of course just the other way around. Start slow and go a little faster each time. But keep the rhythm. Feel the rhythm in your body. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me, I'm levitating. My love is like a rocket which blasts off, and I feel so electric and so soft. And even if I wanted to, I can't stop. You want me, I want you, baby, my sugar boo. I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me, I'm levitating. You could fly away with me tonight. You could fly away with me. At the part of the song, You Can Fly Away With Me Tonight, it sounds good if you don't mute the chords and let them ring out nice. Now I'm going to show you how to play the song with bar chords. Bar chords are a bit more difficult to play, but if you practice with them regularly, you will see you can do it too. The advantage of bar chords is that you have more control over muting the strings. It's then easier to play with more rhythm. The song is played in B minor. And if you put your index finger in the 7th fret and your pinky in the 9th fret, 4th string and the ring finger the 6th string, and the 9th fret, you have a B minor. It's the same shape as an E minor. This is an E minor. An E minor as an open E minor. But now it's not an open chord. Now you use your index finger and you move it to the 7th fret, and so you have a B minor. We also need an F sharp minor. This is an F sharp minor. Your index finger in the 9th fret, and the shape is an A minor. This is an A minor, open A minor chord. This shape you use to the 9th fret, and you have an F sharp minor. 2 steps back, and we have the other chord we need, and this is an E minor. E minor. So we have a B minor, F sharp minor, and E minor. With the same rhythm as we played with open chords, and we can play the song in the original key. The strings are immediately muted when you lift your fingers from the strings. You lift it. Now you can easily play a song in a different key by sliding the chords just like you do with the capo. In the intro of this video I played a song in G minor because that height suits my vocal range better. The shapes of the chords are the same. Try for yourself which height best suits your vocal range. The addition of an F minor chord in this piece makes the whole thing just a bit more fun. I need you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night, come on dance with me. I'm levitating you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night, come on dance with me. I'm levitating. My love is like a rocket, but you blast off. So electric, dance her ass off. Even if I wanted to, I can't stop. Yeah, 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 yeah. Love is like a rocket, watch it blast off. And I'm feeling so electric, dance her ass off. Even if I wanted to, I can't stop. Yeah, 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 yeah. Did you like this video and I was able to help you? Then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I look forward to see you next time. Bye!